Welcome back to week 5 of the Designer Playground, where I do 15-minute designer challenges and I usually create posters. Here is day 1, and it looks like I was hungry. Yeah, it looks like I was hungry that day, and well, of course, every day, but I guess at that particular moment when I was creating this poster. And yeah, I decided to grab what looks like I think it's a tiger. Yeah, a tiger. And I got inspired by the word hunger. I mean, maybe hunger when it comes to food, but maybe hunger for something more, hunger, having a kind of a drive for my goals and what I want for my life. So that was the inspiration of the day. And now on to day 2. This one was a fun one with the gradients. As you know, I love my freeform gradients, and I decided to do a cool little texture here, which was kind of fun. I love to add a texture. I just feel like it just makes it look cooler and it just gives it more personality. Let me know if you think that too. I mean, obviously it depends on the piece. And I think in this moment I was just feeling a moment of feeling lost. I'm in a transition period in my life, a lot of changes coming about. I moved not that long ago. I'm going to be doing a lot of new things. And so, when you're transitioning, you have those moments of feeling lost. And that's kind of what inspired that poster. Now, on to day 3. And of course, I go in for the gradient again. But this time I made a mixer brush. So I grabbed that gradient from Illustrator and I dropped it in Photoshop. I actually have a tutorial of this, how to do this, how to make a mixer brush if you're interested. But yeah, I think in this moment I was feeling, I don't want to give it away. It's going to show up on the screen. I was feeling this kind of vibe. I had actually a flash of this poster right before starting it, and I was like, oh my god, let me try to create this. And it wasn't exactly as I thought, but it was pretty close, and I was feeling this vibe of something electric, neon. I don't know, it kind of made me think of something kind of musical, kind of I don't know, some cool sexy club poster. I don't know, that's the idea of it, this kind of neon look. But anyways, that was it for week 5. I hope you enjoyed that, and give this a try yourself. Try a 15-minute challenge, see what you come up with. It's really great for your creative juices, and it's a fun, quick way to explore when you're, let's say, on a time constraint. All right, take care.